Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to connect to MT5, your powerful trading platform. Whether you're a new or experienced trader, we'll show you how to get set up and start trading in no time. First, on the MC Markets homepage, hover over the Platform tab and select MT5 Trading Platform. Choose the version that matches your device. Installation may vary depending on your device and operating system, so please follow the instructions based on your specific setup. Logging into MT5 requires three key elements: your MT5 ID, password, and the MC Markets server. You can find this information in your dashboard under the Settings tab. Set your password in the Change Password section, and scroll down to copy the server details. Once you've entered all three, you're ready to get started. Now that you're all set up and connected to MT5, you're ready to start trading. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy your trading experience with MC Markets.